Okay, so let's get started, Paul. Welcome, first of all, and let's start with the interview. So, can you share your view regarding the training sessions in fact, Paul?
Fact is really putting a lot of effort into training the students, and I feel like these training sessions are like really, really helpful for the students, very fruitful. And even though the session is online and it lasts for just 1 hour, the trainers make sure that whatever they are trying to convey reaches the students, and so that the students understand what they are trying to say, and they try to just make the most of this time and clear any doubt that the student might have.
Okay, so that's good. So, how often do they test students' progress, like on PI?
So on the PI platform, I feel like it's basically on a very regular basis. The students, we get the platform, we get the opportunity to test what has been taught in the previous classes. We get to see what we have understood, what we have not understood, and we get to clear those doubts. And yeah, that just basically makes sure that our concepts are all polished and we're all clear.
So, you take every test on PI?
Yeah, I am currently doing a lot of tests because of the SAT, because of the upcoming SAT exam.
Okay, that's good. So, it seems fact has gone totally digital. So, does that deprive a student from a personal touch of the physical class, Paul?
So online and physics classes have its own drawbacks and advantages, but no, in my opinion, fact hasn't let these drawbacks affect it. And there's no stone unturned, honestly, because of these online classes, the trainer, as I said, the trainers make the classes very fruitful, and the classes are made as though was offline. It's like face to face. So the students and the trainers are just very interactive. The trainers make sure that the class is very interactive, so the ambience, the environment is just the same as face-to-face class.
Okay. So, Paul, can you just throw some light on how this online training is a blessing these days in the view of students' hectic school and college schedules?
Okay, so I personally am a 12th grade student. I'll be writing my exam day after tomorrow. I feel like yeah, especially for students that are 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, they're very, very busy because they have really busy schedules. They need to wake up in the morning, go to school, come back home, tuitions, and then extra classes. They need to find time to give themselves all these little things, and they need to, even on top of that, they have to find some time to give to themselves to relax and rest and just give their mind some relaxation time. And I feel like because of these online classes, students find it easier to attend these online classes because they don't have to travel. And I feel like because of these online classes, all these costs get saved, time gets saved, efforts get saved. So yeah, it's much better online because we really have very busy schedules, and it just helps a lot with it.
Okay, that's great. So, Paul, just one more question. In case if you miss an online session, so how you access the class and by how way? What is your way to access the class after once you miss the class?
Okay, so every session, every class, it gets recorded by the trainer. All the information, all the concepts that have been taught, all get recorded into one video. That video is all obviously available on the PI platform. Anyone that has missed the class that wants to revise the concept again can go to the PI platform, check, and yeah, they basically don't miss out on anything because everything is there in one place. So it's much easier for the students to access what they've missed.
Okay, that's great, Paul. Thank you for your time and have a nice day, Paul.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.